Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start inside UEFI firmware settings. That's where Secure Boot lives. First, confirm your OS supports Secure Boot and back up any important data. Once done, reboot and use the manufacturer key, Del, F2, F12, or ESC, to access UEFI. Make sure Legacy BIOS or CSM mode is disabled because Secure Boot requires pure UEFI. If you see a Secure Boot menu, stop and note the current state. Exporting or recording existing keys is smart before you change anything. You will enable Secure Boot and configure keys next. First, set a supervisor or admin password so the firmware lets you change Secure Boot options. Then change Secure Boot from disabled to enabled and decide between default key management or custom keys. Default uses vendor keys for broad compatibility. For Linux, make sure you enroll the distro's MOK or import the vendor's public keys so kernels and modules are signed. Make these changes deliberately because Secure Boot enforces signature checks on boot. Save your UEFI changes and reboot to test Secure Boot. You should see a normal boot if your OS and drivers are signed. This confirms integrity checks are working. If the system won't boot, make sure to stay calm. Re-enter UEFI to temporarily disable Secure Boot or restore the keys you exported earlier so you can recover. As a precaution, keep firmware updated and record any custom keys you added, because you may need them for kernel or driver updates down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.